Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Got a little bit of a different setup going on today, eh, honey?
Exciting.
Exciting. Because we are going to be unbagging brand new to the channel clothing haul from Shein. S-H-E-I-N. I think it's Shein, but yeah. So I bought, I think, 5 items and they've all arrived. It didn't take very long to get here. I ordered them second week of June, and it said they weren't going to be here till July 29th, so I got them after
Really?
2 weeks. So here is what we got, and look at how nicely packaged these are. So they each come in these really nice little Ziploc bags. So let's try some stuff on. See what all the hype is about.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so this is the first item. It is a like bohemian little short sundress. It's very soft. It's got this nice little tassel detail. And yeah, this is what it looks like up close. It's got some buttons, fake buttons. And there's the sleeve. It's got a nice pattern on it. It feels it doesn't feel too terrible. I'll put the price down on the screen somewhere and what the dress is actually called. I like it. What do you think, Jay?
I think it's very pretty.
So this is a 2XL. Generally, I wear between a size 16 and a double XL, depending on the brand. I've got a oddly shaped body for a larger gal. I've got small boobs, no butt, a nice little one of these paunch, I like to call it, and then my little belly here. And I'm trying to lose weight, so I wanted to buy some clothing that wasn't too expensive just for the summertime. So that if I outgrow it, what do you do? What is the opposite of outgrow? If I get too small for it, then I won't have felt like I've lost all of my monies. So yeah, that's item number 1.
Yeah.
All right, here is item number 2. So it's a little jumpsuit. I really like this one. It's a little, feels like crepe paper a little bit. I mean, it's comfortable, but it's a little scratchy. This is also a double XL. So there's the back. Yeah, so it's got adjustable straps. And then this is the pattern. It's navy blue with these little white and red flowers. Yeah. What do you think, Jay? You like this one? I like this one.
I think it's fun.
And it goes all the way down to my ankles, so I'm 5'8". So that's a good length for me. Could be a tad longer, you think?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, but otherwise I'm very pleased with this one as well. Okay, next up, most exciting thing about this outfit, it has pockets. So yeah, this is floor length, just cotton feel, cotton type dress. I think it could be one size smaller. This is a double XL, but it's a little big here. Goes right down to the floor. It's very comfortable though.
Yeah.
Very comfortable. So yeah, just like a t-shirt material. Same, there's no front or back that I could find, so it's pretty much the same front and back. This is what the back looks like. This is what the front looks like. It clings a little bit here, but you know what? I don't really care. That would be good for going to the beach, eh?
Over your bathing suit or something.
Over your bathing suit. I just love that it has pockets. So yeah, that's item number 3. Very excited about this one too. Okay, so this is the 4th item. It's a strapless romper. And it has pockets. It's like a silky type material, and that is what it looks like at the back. It goes all the way down to my ankles. It's very light feeling. I mean, everything's felt like really good quality so far. Like it's not going to just fall apart on you. You could like lift it up like that and like get a little gathering here, or you could just pull it down. Not all the way down. You must be modest. So yeah, what do you think, Jay? You like this one? I love this one. It's very comfortable. Yeah, so that is item number 4. Okay, this is the last item. It is, what are you doing over there? It's, you know, one of these. What do you call this? I don't know anything about clothes. It shows off your shoulders.
It's your décolletage.
Yes, it's my décolletage and my shoulders. So when I bought it, I thought it was black and white, but actually it's navy blue with red stripes, which is very nice. And this detaches. This comes off completely. But I think it's a little bit more flattering for me to cinch it in just above my natural waist to give me more shape. What do you think, Jay? More shape?
Yeah.
And I like the length of it too. I find a lot of shirts are too short and then it's not flattering here. But I really like this. I really like everything. I think I will keep all of it. Yeah, that's what the back looks like. Pardon my weirdness, but I've never filmed myself with clothes on before. No, that came out wrong. I've never filmed a clothing haul before, but I really like everything in this haul. AJ?
That's nice stuff.
He's holding his face. I'm an embarrassment. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna return anything. I really liked everything. So for this shirt, 2 rompers and 2 dresses, it was $90, which isn't bad at all. You mean it would be better if it was free, but nothing's free in this world, eh? So favorites, I think I'm gonna pick this shirt, and then the sleeveless romper, and then this really long comfy cotton t-shirt like dress. And then which one of these, Jay? Which one do you think is nicer? Looks better, nicer.
The darker one I like better.
Yeah, so then this romper and then this pretty sundress. Yeah. So that is a big thumbs up on the Shein clothing. I really liked it, and I'll probably definitely order from them again. And yeah, I really appreciate you watching. I appreciate your support. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can subscribe here. Then you can watch more videos here and here. And yes, I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.